YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us that thumbs up. Share us out to your friends. Greatly appreciated. What's going on today? So, the appraisal to the property actually came back horrible. So, I don't know. We're going with a different loan company because that person that we're working with is known for not working with folks very well, not working with the realtors and stuff like that. I don't even see how he's still in business, and he's a vice president. That's crazy. But anyway, we're not really going to get into that. We are moving forward with the property search and moving forward with reaching out to other lenders, and we will let you guys know whenever we know what's going on with that. All right, so what are we doing today? Today we're actually going to be going through some of our boxes, some of the things that are on the trailer, the flatbed trailer, because you can kind of see back behind me at the house, there's a deck over there that really needs a lot of work. And for safety of our kids, we want to tear that thing down. But before we can do that project, we need to go through some of our other things and kind of get stuff set up around like the blacksmith shop, woodworking shop. So I'm just going to throw you guys to a quick time lapse, show you the deck, show you the time lapse, and yeah, let's go do that. Areas with holes, areas that are rotted out. Excuse me. Got warped boards. And then you can also see, if I back up, how this whole front end over here is kind of collapsed down. And then come this way, I don't know if you can see, it looks like a bowl. So we're going to get rid of this section, that section. It's like 4 different decks all put together. We're going to get rid of that section and basically the size of that over there, along with getting rid of this. So we're going to redo this one, and that's all that's going to be here. This is going to be gone. That will be gone. That will be gone. And we're going to utilize this area for parking vehicles. So that needs to go away. That needs to go away. This needs to go away. That needs to stay for now. And then we're going to rebuild it. All right. So before we can do this, we need to go back over there and start digging tools out of the trailer. All right, so I'm nice and hot, and I found the majority of the tools that we need. I am still looking for one drill, the cordless Makita drill that I have, along with the batteries, and even possibly the cordless skill saw that I have. I'm not 100% certain which box I put those in, so yeah, until I can find that, I can get those batteries plugged in. I did find the chargers, so that's good. The other things that we need, but while I'm still continuing to look for the tools, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch you guys over to a time lapse of Gladys getting started on the demo to the deck. All right, let's go. just like that, we got all of that demoed out. We still got to pull nails out of that because I'm a little frugal whenever it comes to hardware. I like saving that stuff. She always tells me that I'm a hoarder. Hoarder. But I mean, you can see how dry rotted a lot of this stuff was. I mean, it just falls apart.
Many years.
Yeah, it wasn't protected. It was basically, it was built wrong because you're utilizing 2x6 lumber spanning 2 feet. So even though it was 16 inch on center, it looked roughly, just for this, a 2x6 is only going to really span 6 feet. So 6-inch board, 6 feet long. 8-inch board, 8 feet long. 10-inch, yada yada. 12-inch, yada yada. 12 feet, right? That's kind of the golden rule. But we'll be able to utilize some of this, you know, like the joist boards down here are still okay. Use it for blocking, use it for making whatever else. But we're gonna go ahead and get this raked out. You can see that was the 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 different decks. I don't think you guys need to see the same process over and over again. So we'll come back to you when it's ready to build. So I definitely appreciate you guys for following the journey this far. Give us that thumbs up, share us out to your friends. Got anything else to say? Yeah, thumbs up. All right, you guys. Thank you, veteran, at every chance you get, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye now.